Okay, you had the assignment solving equations involving shapes and consecutive integers. So on number 1, it says write an algebraic expression to represent the area. So I know that we're talking about area of a triangle. Before I can even start the problem, I need to know what the formula of the area of a triangle is. Well, the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Once I know that that's base times height divided by 2, the instructions say write in algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is letters and numbers. You cannot just solve this problem and get all your points. You need to write down the formula, and then you need to plug in what we know. The base of the triangle that they give me is 2x plus 1. So I wrote down 2x plus 1 in the base. Then it says times height. Well, my height is x this time. And divide by 2. So what I did is I plugged in, I substituted. Then I taught you what we could go ahead and do next is we could go ahead and distribute. If I distribute, I get 2x squared plus x divided by 2. That is my algebraic expression. Then I can go ahead and I can plug in 14 because they asked me, well, what happens if x is 14? Well, then I can go ahead and plug in 14 into my x. I got to do order of operations. So what I did is I did exponent. 14 squared times 2 is 392 plus 14. So 392 plus 14 is 406. Divide by 2, and I get 203. On number 2, the exact same thing they are asking. They say, write an algebraic expression, so numbers and letters, to represent the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter means the outside. So, of a rectangle. Here's my outside of a rectangle. If this is 6w, I know this side has to be 6w. If this is 2w plus 4, I know this side has to be 2w plus 4. So if I go around my perimeter, I'm walking, this is 2w plus 4, that's why I have 2w plus 4, then plus 6, then 2w plus 4 plus 6w. So perimeter means I'm going to add up all the sides. Once I know my sides, then I can go ahead and combine like terms. When I combine like terms, I get 16w plus 8. That is my algebraic expression. Now I can go ahead and plug in 9 for w. 16 times 9 plus 8 gives me 152 centimeters. Number 3, write an expression to represent the perimeter of the triangle. Then find the perimeter if y equals 4 and if x equals 7. Perimeter means the outside again of a triangle. Perimeter means I'm going to walk around the side. So I started over here. So 2x minus y plus 3x, or actually I went this way, negative 4y plus 10x, and then plus 3x plus 7y. So I am going to add all of the sides when I walked around. Now I can go ahead and combine like terms. 2 and 10 become, and 3 become 15x. Negative 4 plus negative 1, that's negative 5, plus 7y is 2y. There's my algebraic expression. Now I can plug in and solve. Plugged in 7 for x, plugged in 4 for y, and I get 113. On number 4. It says find the value of x so that the figures have the same area. So let me go ahead and cover this up real quick. They have to have the same area. Same means equal. So I have to have an equal sign in the middle. Area means base times height, base times height. So my base is 3x plus 4, my height is 2. So I get 2 times 3x plus 4 equals 8 times x. Well, Mr. Bourne, I put the 3x plus 4 first. The 2 could have been here as well. It does not matter. Now I go ahead and I distribute. If I distribute, I get 6x plus 8 equals 8x. I bring the 6 over. I get 8 equals 2x. Divide by 2, x equals 4. The last problem. Find the value of x so that the figures have the same perimeter. So instead of area, I need to add up the sides. The same means I need an equal sign. So here is my equal sign. The left rectangle, my sides are 2x plus 4 plus 7 plus 2x plus 4 plus 7. I combine like terms and I get 4x plus 22. On the right side of my equation, I have x minus 1, that's this, plus 7, plus another x minus 1, plus another 7. X and x become 2x. Negative 1 plus 7 is 6. And then another 6 plus 6 would be 12. Whoops. That's why I have 2x plus 12 here. I go ahead and I get rid of my 2, because I need to get my variables to the same side. 2x plus 22 equals 12. Take away 22, I get 2x equals negative 10. Divide that by 2 and I get x equals negative 5. That's what x has to be negative 5. Now we're on the next side. On the next side, it says find two consecutive even integers. Even integers. 2, 1, 2, whose sum has to add up to 126. So I'm going to add two integers that are consecutive in order that are 126. So if I had 6, the next even integer would have to be 8. Well, I added 2 to get to the next number. If I don't know what my first number is, we always start with n. But I know my second number has to be n plus 2. I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to go ahead and make the second part be this side.